In this video, I'll share how I set up my tiny watercolor painting space without an art studio. Hi, I am Bianca. I am a watercolor artist creating watercolor painting tutorials and art supply reviews. If you are having a hard time looking for a painting space in your home, I'll show you mine and maybe you'll get an idea in this video. I am in our bedroom/office. My husband has been working from home since 2017 and I am a watercolor artist. We live in a small house, small space, and we shared spaces. My husband went out because he finished his shift so I can record my videos when he is not around. This is our table. This is a long table that we asked the handyman to customize for us. And on top of this table is another table where we put our printer, our TV, and my other things. On the left side, you will see two laptops with two monitors. Those are my husband's. And on the far right here, this is my small space. This is where I paint, this is where I shoot my videos, and all. So this is my space. From here to bottom, this is my space. Whenever I do not shoot my videos for tutorials, I use an easel. This is a table easel. So here is my towel, my brushes, my mixing palette. This is my watercolors. I have here, I covered the 2 cups of water because I am about to paint. I will start a new painting later. And here, of course, I have a lamp. I have here my boom arm. This is the window. I open this slightly whenever I paint. I usually paint in the morning and in the afternoon. On the top, I have here my art board, my sketchbook for pencil sketches. I have some watercolor papers here. This is my iPad. I use this also to shoot my videos. This is where I keep my brushes there and some swatches for some tutorials. I have there a drawer where I keep small things, my Bible, my microphone, some books, and other things like sketches, notebook, light pad, and here I have my chair here. Also, if you can see, I have there my tumbler. So this is my small painting space with my chair. Alright, this is where I shoot my videos. This is where I paint. When I about to edit my videos for YouTube and Skillshare, I remove everything and then I replace my art supplies with my laptop. When I was starting in watercolor painting and we still live in the smaller apartment, I use our dining table to paint and I pack up everything whenever we will eat. It is also the reason that I have a portable watercolor set that I can use at home and also could use outside. Honestly, the table I was using was smaller than this and a big palette won't work for me. I also like painting outside, so whenever I get a chance, I can simply put my watercolor set out of the pouch. Honestly, if you are starting in watercolor painting, you don't need a huge space. If you have areas in your home like a small room, under the staircase, a small part of your room like this one, even in the kitchen, I did that. You can paint. For now, I don't think I would need an art studio or a huge space. But of course, in the future, I would like to have my own art studio. Just for now, I share space with my husband and that's okay. And the good thing about watercolors is that watercolors are very portable. I remember when I was starting in watercolor painting, I used a foldable table and I always put it up whenever I'm going to paint. And then I just pack it up, set it aside when I'm finished. I'm done. All right. So if you are starting and you think that you don't have enough space, you could use a portable table as well, or something that you could just put somewhere, like a small space, like a computer table. You could use that. A small study table, you could use that too. I did those when I was starting in my watercolor painting. Until now, we do not have a big space for art studio, but hoping and praying for one in the future. Maybe when I will paint big paintings more, then I think I would need an art studio. But for now, it's okay to share spaces with my husband. Just look at me. I'm creating content on YouTube. I create watercolor painting tutorials on Skillshare, and I can record my watercolor painting tutorials when he is not here. If you haven't seen my watercolor travel kit, then I suggest watching this next video so you can see what I bring when I paint outdoors. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Remember to tap the notification bell so YouTube will let you know if I upload a new video.